In this video, let's review a few basic care and maintenance tips for your unit. Your unit has two types of maintenance cycles, the cleaning cycle and the descale cycle. The cleaning cycle is an essential maintenance cycle to keep your group head clean. The cleaning cycle is run using a cleaning tablet, which removes and prevents buildup of coffee oils and residue. Your unit will indicate a need for a cleaning cycle after a certain number of extractions. For best maintenance, we recommend running a cleaning cycle regularly every 4 to 8 weeks, as the frequency of the cleaning cycle indicator may vary depending on usage. The descale cycle is an essential maintenance step to clean the internal components of your unit. This cycle is run using commercial descaler, which removes and prevents scale and mineral buildup within your unit. Using the proper cleaning solution for each cycle is important in keeping your unit clean and operating smoothly. Your unit will indicate a need for a descale cycle after a certain number of extractions. For best maintenance, we recommend running a descale cycle regularly every 4 to 8 weeks, as the frequency of the descale cycle indicator may vary depending on usage. To keep your steam wand clean, be sure to wipe down and purge the steam wand after each use to prevent residue and buildup. We also recommend cleaning the steam wand and steam wand tip regularly every 4 to 6 weeks to remove and prevent any potential buildup. Keeping your grinder clean will also be important in preventing buildup, which can wear down the burrs over time. This will be especially important if you are using older or oily beans. Proper care and maintenance of your unit is essential to keep your unit running smoothly. To view our videos on how to clean your unit, visit our channel for additional tips and information.